Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here. Markets keep crashing. All right, so yeah, this fear with this apparent war coming in now between Russia, Ukraine, and the United States, it's getting very scary right now, and is definitely causing the markets to have some negative reaction. And as you can see, pretty much today we had a massive pullback on the tech stocks and pretty much also US 30 as well. Like you can see here on the right side, I have the blue tags right here. These are tech stocks. This is the top 7 tech stocks from Nasdaq, and right here on the pink tags, these are the top 6 from the from US 30. Okay, well, you see everything today was red. The stocks are falling. Okay, so we're still very big to the downside. It's a very let me show you, where is it here? Pretty much from this drop, from the moment the market has started crashing all the way down here. So it's been about 38 days the market dropping. Okay, every time the market tries to actually to correct or pull back up and continue to the upside, now this fears with this tension in Russia and Ukraine. So it's actually very dangerous. So let's see what's going to happen. We're still on this big downtrend right here. It was a nice bullish flag right here. You can see in the past also a nice support, very strong support. But look what happened. The price failed right here. At this point, the price failed to create a new high or to even reach previous high right here. Completely failed and crashed, completely went down. So how low is this going to go? We don't know how far this actually can go. The market is definitely very cheap right now. Just because it's cheap right now doesn't mean it can't get cheaper, right? Always have that in mind. So be careful, guys. Like if you are looking to, for example, for holding trades for longer, holding buys, be careful, okay? Because we don't know now how bad this thing in Russia and Ukraine and this tension in the United States, how bad it's going to be. All we know right now that at least, market is reaching a previous zone right now, a big demand zone right here. So it could be reaching that zone and then maybe start pushing up. But there this tension still will be there, for the between Russia and the United States and Ukraine. So everything will stay pretty much in red. I would say next week, guys, just keep an eye. Try to only look for scalps, just quick sales. Maybe you can find sell formations, bearish flags. Okay, bearish flag formations today was a little tricky. Some of the stocks, for example, Nasdaq did a little fake out to the upside, pretending it was going to continue pushing up, but then it started actually melting to the downside. US 30, like you can see also, it did this fake out to the upside on that flag formation it was having. But there were multiple scenarios. Right now, right here, the market was forming a nice head and shoulder. You can see the left, the head, right shoulder, and then nice flag formation right there, which is this one. All right, so the price did broke and started push up. Quite nice actually push right there. It went up about 278 pips before actually crashing and melting down. But this was definitely a fake out, pretending the market was actually going to go up. But then this fears, came up. So it's very bearish right now. Let's go on a 4-hour. Let's see where the market is positioned right now. Look at that. The market is reaching US 30. The market is reaching a nice weekly area, weekly zone. Let me go on a weekly zone right here. Right here in the past, you see the body of the candles. This right here, that's why I'm drawing this line on a weekly level. So I know that by the time I scale in 4 hours, 1 hour, I know that zone is huge. Okay, so it's a very strong zone in the past. It's not just a line, it's an entire zone, remember, okay? So it could be just this zone, all right? So a few things could happen. The market could react to this zone and bounce back up, okay? Or if it shows signs of breaking completely, this could be reaching previous levels, okay? Important levels in the past, which I think that's what's going to happen due to all these fears with this war now, upcoming war. Hopefully not, because this could cause definitely like a third world war, so be careful. With your buys right now, this could continue crashing. Man, I just hope we're not going to have any type of war. But markets could be struggling right here in this area. Okay? And then if you start seeing the price creating lower lows, then you can get in aggressively or wait for the price to retest. This most likely is going to be reaching these lows again, okay, previous zone. So keep an eye guys, for this week. The price did fail. Look how interested was actually looking on S&P 500. Look at this on a 4-hour, nice double top right there, and the market definitely crashing. S&P 500 tends to do this type of double tops before crashing. So yeah, this is definitely telling me that the market could crash all the way down here and get even lower. I hope not, but that's pretty much what we're seeing right now. After seeing that double top right there, big rejection to the downside, and it's very likely to go down here. Maybe the market will reach this point, do like a double bottom, and then maybe start pushing up. Things will get better, hopefully. So right now, all we can do, guys, is keep an eye. Just watch this setup on US 30 today was actually nice for a nice sell right there, 122 risk to reward. But I actually missed it. I actually missed this entire drop. But let's see what's going to happen. Anyways, you can see even Bitcoin dropped a little bit after breaking very strong the 40K. So it's most likely going to do a pullback, or be careful again if you guys are holding buys. You got to be ready for another drawdown. This thing could actually continue crashing. This fear with the war is going to be affecting everything. I'm pretty sure it's going to be affecting everything. So gold actually was the only one pushing up today. So the US dollar, is actually getting, with this inflation, is getting crazy. But look at that massive push right there. I was thinking the market could actually show some type of reaction in this area. It did show a little reaction. It did a little pullback and then just skyrocket, breaking what it looks like the actual channel right there. And now it's actually reaching that previous zone, okay, in the past. So let's see anyways what's going to happen. We're most likely going to have some type of pullback correction, and then on the pullback we could be looking for more buys, okay? Right now, like this push today was crazy, massive push. A lot of tricky movements was actually gold doing, but you see all this was NFP basically. I think this one NFP. So a lot of like crazy movements. You see big wicks rejections, then NFP again went down, but then the actual momentum was still to the upside. So let's see what's going to happen with gold anyways in next week as well. So that'll be all pretty much it, guys. If you have any doubts, questions, just let me know in the comment section below. If you want to actually join my Telegram group where I post this information daily on a free group. If you're also interested on the mentorship and course that I'm actually offering in a free signal group for life, just reach out to me on my Telegram, or you can just go directly on my website, www.teamprofitsenglish.com, and you will see all the information in there. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're new on the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, guys.